And there you go, folks. Our show is officially started. So we have a round of applause for Benedict. So hello everyone. What do you happen to tonight? That right there is blue, and my trainer Jessie is azul. So now before we start this friendly battle, I'll be dividing you guys into two groups. Now all the boys will cheer for blue. Come on, boys, let me hear you cheer. Go blue, go blue. And all the girls will cheer for azul. Come on, girls, let me hear you cheer. Go azul, go azul. Now, are you ready for the basketball game? Energy. Are you ready for the basketball game? Alright, birds ready. Trainers ready. Set. Go, let's go, boy, let's go, Azul. Now, first go for Azul. Follow that blue, now go for Azul. And last ball. Girls, this game. So that's alright, Azul. The trainer Jessie, you lost this game. What can you say?
Hold it there, Jack. We want another race.
Are you sure about that? You want Azul to lose again?
My.
I'm pretty sure Azul and I will win.
What game do you have in mind?
Let's do a ring race. The mechanic of this game, the first bird can drop 3 rings to the pool. The fastest is the winner. And that's the ring race.
So our race shall be there. Remember, boys already got 1 point. So let's cheer louder for Azul to win this time. Now, are you ready for the second game? Alright, birds ready. Trainers ready. Set. Go. Let's go, Azul. Now, birds ring for blue. Let's go, Azul. So trainer, when you see that do things at the same time, what can you say?
Hey, was that Trainer Jericho? You got cheated!
Boy, trainer Jericho. Did you know?
Girls, did we cheat? So we didn't cheat. Azul just used her brain.
Alright, so how about a round of applause for blue and azul? Now this time I'll need an adult volunteer. So no matter what happens, please do not swing or move your arm. Now let's call it our money bird, Blue. Alright, Blue flies over, grabs the money. So what's next, Blue? What's next, Blue? So Blue flies back to the table, and I guess Blue wants to. There you go, donate your money. Listener, are you okay with your money for donation? Are you sure? Since it's a leaser, how about another round? So 500 pesos. For the bird. Yeah. I was just kidding, sir. It's so part of the show. So before you give your money back, you'll have a photo up with our lovely bird for souvenir. Let's start. Now, first on the right, the trainer Jessie is our green-winged macaw pendant. So his body is covered with red plumage. So his wings and tail feathers are green and blue. So this macaw has a white naked face striped with small red feathers. So its scientific name is Araptoraptorus. Now, bandit, say hi to everyone. Say hi. Other side of the bandit, hello. Now up next is trainer Kata is our blue and gold macaw Goldie. Now blue and gold macaws have a beautiful shade of blue on its back and a solid shade of yellow on its ear, wings, and belly. So its eyes and beak are solid black. Now its scientific is Ara Aragona. So here in Cebu Park, we have the Rate and Golden House. So we have Goldie up there and Cebu and as well earlier in a basketball game. So later, napunay segment si Goldie. And now up next with trainer next is our blue named Harold Yoshi. Now blue named parrots are native and normal and in the Philippines. So here in the Philippines, they're locally known as ibon. So we'll familiar mga bird, mga bird na nasa likod sa 500 na so little. But it's because of their extreme sexual dimorphism, meaning you can easily distinguish between a male and a female eclectus parrot. So Rojo right here is a female parrot that is because of its bright red colored feathers, while male eclectus parrots have a bright green colored feathers. Now for their lifespan, Yoshi and Rojo can live up to 40 years old. While our Rojo's Bandit and Goldie, they can only have one partner for their entire lifetime. I'm so happy for the parrots here in Cebu Park. We have our Eclectus parrot Rojo, our blue named parrot Yoshi, our blue and blue Goldie, and our green winged macaw Bandit. Now, parrots in particular are known to be intelligent and perceptive. That is why we continue to enhance their skills so that they won't get bored. Now let's call in Bandit once again and he's going to show us how to put the shapes back to its correct class. Now even though this is a learned behavior, Bandit has to get the shapes back to its correct class. And that is possible with its perception, memory, and intelligence. So in the wild, he gets the skill to find food, shelter, and a good place to nest. Alright, now let's shape Bandit. And there you go, intelligent, right? How about a round of applause for Bandit? So now, do you think Goldie can find her hidden object? Let me hear you cheer. You can do it, Goldie! Goldie, find her hidden object. Now, Goldie's searching using her psychic powers, and she found it! So how about a round of applause for Goldie? Is Twinkie, and the trainer Jessie is Nigel. So now let's start. Now first in the middle is our silver-crested cockatoo Tweety. Now these birds prefer their habitats along the edges of subtropical and tropical rainforests. Now they are primarily white with black beaks and a distinctive silver-yellow crest, so that is their crest. So its scientific name is Cockatooa gallerita. Now up next we trainer Jessie is our umbrella cockatoo Nigel, also known as the white cockatoo or the great white crested cockatoo. Now these birds are distinguishable from other white cockatoos because of its woolly white crest, which raises up like an umbrella. So if ka na-crest ni Nigel, isa ka na para siya umbrella ang portal. So its scientific name is Cockatooa alba. Now you were to compare Tweety and Nigel, so obviously Tweety has a yellow crest, while Nigel has a pure white plumage. And now lastly, with trainer next is our Malucan cockatoo Snow, also known as the silent crested cockatoo, that is because of their pinkish white outer feathers. So these angelic birds can be found in the Cebu of Eastern Indonesia, and they are classified as the largest among the white cockatoos. So its scientific name is Cockatooa bolocensis. So ganun si Snow guys, whether they're happy,
Parang
threatened,
mag-target
or
sa iyang
when
trainer.
angry. And as you know, these cockatoos can be loud and can mimic any sound. That is what you call a mimicry behavior. So sila na yung mga birds ng mga cluster yan. Now, lastly, for their lifespan, Tweety and Nigel, they can live up to 40 years old. But our Moluccan cockatoos, known as their retriever mix, can live up to 70 years old. And so that is it for different kinds of cockatoos here in Cebu Park. We have our silk progressive cockatoo Tweety, our umbrella cockatoo Nigel, and our Moluccan cockatoo Snow. Snow, si Snow guys, nasa babaw. Oh, what a lovely entrance from Snow. Okay, Snow, your equation is 5 plus 19. So, lanta na kayo si Snow, nag-study kagabi or na-tiktok. Okay, Snow, 5 plus 19. Okay, is Snow ready? Okay, Snow, solve the equation for us. Alright, Snow grabs number 2. So is the first number correct? Yes, go Snow. So complete your answer, Snow. Nasagot ko sila. And there you go! Plus 19 is 24. So how about a round of applause for Snow? Now, Brownie Heights became known as Malagasy Angels. These Malawins can be found in the Indian subcontinent, Southeast Asia, and Australia, where they are known as sea eagles. So here in the Philippines, they're locally known as Lawings or Banog in the Visayan region. Now, Brownie kites are delicate and big than eagles. That is because they prey on smaller animals such as fish and insects.
Balian ba nila ilang mga prey?
Now, kung familiar mo na yung bird, muna siyang bird na nasa logo sa show ni Kuya Cliff na mata-lawin. And so that is it for Brownie Kite Kingdom. Now up next is our Philippine serpent eagle, scientifically known as Milornis bulospilos. This endemic eagle can be found in the major islands of the Philippines, so mostly found in open woodlands and forests. Now Philippine eagle and Philippine serpent eagle are two different birds. So si Freddy right there is our Philippine serpent eagle, while a Philippine eagle is 3 times larger than Freddy.
Hindi siya.
Ayaw pagkaon.
Now, Philippine serpent eagle can be distinguished from other serpent eagles. That is because of its white spots on its belly and wings.
Ayaw niya.
Alright, let's go, Freddy.
Gusto niya
Now,
nubog.
as we notice, our trainers are using a glove that is what we call a pulmonary blanket. That is to protect them from their sharp beaks and ready your cameras as ready will fly across the stage. And so that is it for Philippines Serpent Eagle Germany. Now, white galaxy eagle, scientifically known as Halianthus leucopressor. Now these raptors typically come around southern Asia and Australia. Now these enormous raptors are very like its head and body with a great back and wings, which held in a strong V shape. And with a wingspan of 2.2 meters, landing himself as the second largest raptor in Australia. Now they are known to be skilled hunters and have an excellent eyesight, which can catch after their prey as fast as 30 to 100 miles per hour. Now they primarily feed on aquatic animals such as fish, sea snakes, and sea turtles, as well as carrion such as sheep and swans.
Tanaw siya kung asa nga handler.
Alright, I want everyone to please sit down.
Di tanaw siya pamili ka siya ganina po. Asa siya nga handler.
Now, King Fred and Ami are rescue birds, so they train here in Cebu Park.
Nasaan na po ito isa? Dali, siguro. Tara.
Now, ready your cameras as Ami will fly across the stage. And let's go, Ami. Up. And so that is it for White Galaxy Eagle. Ami. Now let's do our flying birds. Please look to your left as we call it our homing pigeons. Now homing pigeons are innate ability to back to its nest and mate, allowing them to perceive direction, altitude, and location. So how about a round of applause for our raptors and our homing pigeons? Now our next set of birds are different from our colorful parrots and cockatoos. Now let's call in our southern rufous hornbill too. Now these birds are extremely playful. They love to hop or jump from perch to perch, showing off their chasing skills from one another. And sometimes even flying short distances between branches. Now these birds are omnivores, meaning they not only love to eat fruit, but also meat as well. And have you noticed, too, right here is an excellent food catcher. Alright, let's show them too. Okay, first one too. Okay, last one. Now, ladies and gentlemen, ready your cameras as we will show you a trick. Now in 1, 2, 3. Amazing, right? So how about a round of applause for 2? So here in Cebu Park, we believe there is more. So sadly, a lot of animals today are struggling because of improper waste management and pollution. So always keep in mind to reduce waste, reuse plastics, and recycle everything we can. We'll see if blue can do it, then so can green. So now, before we end